Imagine walking into work one day and realizing that your boss isn't human. No office, no coffee breaks, no emotions, just algorithms making decisions. This may sound like science fiction, but in many companies around the world, it's already happening. Artificial intelligence is quietly becoming the new boss. Let's explore how. First, we need to understand what AI management actually means. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to chatbots or recommendation systems. Today, AI systems can analyze employee performance, assign tasks, monitor productivity, and even decide promotions or layoffs. In other words, AI can now perform many of the responsibilities traditionally handled by human managers. For example, in large warehouses and logistics companies, AI systems decide which worker should pick which item, how fast they should work, and when their shift should end. In some companies, AI tracks keyboard activity, mouse movement, or time spent on tasks to measure productivity. The system then generates performance reports automatically. In the gig economy, AI management is even more visible. Drivers working for ride-sharing platforms do not report to a human supervisor. Instead, an algorithm assigns rides, evaluates performance, and sometimes even suspends accounts automatically. To the worker, the boss is essentially software. But AI management isn't limited to blue-collar jobs. In offices, AI tools are increasingly used to schedule meetings, distribute workloads, evaluate employee performance, and predict which teams will be most productive. Some companies use AI to analyze emails, project timelines, and task completion rates to determine who deserves a bonus. In these cases, the manager might simply review recommendations generated by AI systems. So why are companies doing this? The biggest reason is efficiency. AI can process massive amounts of data far faster than humans. It can identify patterns in employee performance that a human manager might never notice. For businesses, this means faster decisions, optimized workflows, and potentially higher profits. AI also removes some human biases. A human manager might favor certain employees based on personal relationships. In theory, an AI system evaluates workers only based on data. But this raises a critical question. Can a machine really be fair? AI systems are trained on historical data. If the data contains bias, the AI may repeat or even amplify those biases. For example, if past promotions favored a particular group of employees, the AI might learn to recommend similar promotions in the future. Another concern is transparency. When a human boss makes a decision, you can ask for an explanation. But when an algorithm makes that decision, the reasoning may be hidden inside complex mathematical models. Employees may not know why they were rated poorly or why they didn't receive a promotion. This creates what experts call the black box problem. There is also the human factor. Good managers don't just assign tasks, they motivate teams, resolve conflicts, and understand emotions. AI systems, no matter how advanced, still struggle with empathy and human understanding. And that matters in the workplace. However, many experts believe the future of management will not be AI replacing humans entirely. Instead, it will be human-AI collaboration. AI will handle data analysis, productivity tracking, and operational decisions, while human managers focus on leadership, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Think of AI as a powerful assistant rather than a complete replacement. Still, the shift is already changing how work feels. Employees may increasingly interact with dashboards, automated feedback systems, and algorithmic recommendations instead of direct managerial guidance. In this new workplace, your performance might be evaluated not by a person, but by data. So the next time you receive an automated performance report, a productivity alert, or a task assigned by software, remember something. Your boss might not actually be human anymore. And as artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the line between technology and management may become even harder to see. The future of work is arriving faster than we expected, and in many offices, the new boss is already AI.